Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking at something every single website needs: social media icons. Connecting your Webflow site to your social channels is crucial for growing your audience, and thankfully, setting this up only takes a couple of minutes. Let's jump straight into the designer and get those icons onto your page. The trick to adding social icons in Webflow is understanding that you actually need two separate pieces: a link to make it clickable and an image to make it visible. To start, open your Add Elements panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to the typography or basic section and grab a link block. Drag that link block directly onto your canvas or into your navigator panel wherever you want your icon to live. Now that we have our clickable area, we need to add the visual. Go right back to that Add Elements panel. Grab an image element and drag it directly inside your new link block. From here, you can upload your social media logo. I highly recommend using SVG files for your icons because they stay perfectly crisp no matter how big or small you make them. Once your icon is looking good, we have to make sure it actually takes people to your profile. Click on the link block itself, not the image inside it. Then head over to the Element Settings panel on the right side of your screen, which looks like a little gear icon. Simply paste your full social media URL into the link field. And here's a massive pro tip: always check the box that says Open in a New tab. This ensures that when someone clicks your Twitter or Instagram icon, they don't lose your actual website in the process. And that's it. You can duplicate the setup for as many social channels as you need and use Flexbox to line them up perfectly. If this quick tip saved you out today, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more Webflow tips. Drop a comment below if you have any other questions, and I'll catch you in the next video.